Actually, I want to record something where I want to say that last 1 or 2 weeks has been hell of a ride, and it's like something which I can't reveal out. It's hell, it's bad, it's hurting, I feel like sometimes these days should not be there in the life. Even though you're being good, even though you are trying to protect yourself and doing something for yourself and people around is not being mattered, is not being valued, seen, but still being seen as a negative one because people don't get satisfied with what you do for how many days, and especially the people who you like, who they love you, or whatever it is at the end of the day.